Old friends calling, snow is falling, cat curled up in the old soft chair, carols singing, bells are ringing, Christmas everywhere. Glowing embers, how time remembers what old memories believe when you're all alone on a Christmas Eve. I remember there were Christmas times ago, feeling warm and complete in a sweet company with someone you love. And tomorrow there'll be friends enough, I know, still in Christmas kisses under mistletoe. Glowing embers, how time remembers what old memories believe when you're all alone in a sweet melancholy completely your own. When you're all alone on Christmas Eve. Thank you. This next song, I want to ask my sister Vise to come up. Christmas wouldn't be the same without this classic. So here's Vise for you.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe will help to make the seasons bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if rain